is Shu Shane. The reason why I did not participate on that show because I had other plans. I had other plans to do my own broadcast show. Instead of me doing some wrestling stuff, I also do anime. I can't be on two things at the same time. So my fans know what I was doing. They was watching me on my broadcast of anime, and I love to talk about anime more. I love to talk about wrestling. So Cage, I'm a busy guy, Cage. Sorry, but if you want to really, I want to have to say, Ricky has said some promising things, and no promising things was heart touching. He said it doesn't matter if you beat him or it doesn't matter if you win, because at the meantime, he has other plans anyway. If he loses, he still have an opportunity. If he wins, he still have an opportunity. What he would do if he wins, he would vacate the title and go on to Plan B. If he loses, he would go to Plan B. It's a win-win situation for Rukia. And Rukia said to himself, he doesn't care about your members of the whatever gang y'all got. He don't care about your members. He's gonna tear the house down like he always do. And like he said, he's a man and you're a boy. I don't know why he bring that up, but that's what he said. You're a little boy trapped in a man body. He's a man, could fight on his own will. He don't have boys to do his dirty work. And you say you put him out? This dude is healthy as a horse. You didn't put him out because if you did, he won't be here. The title will be vacated. That means I have to find another contender face you for the EIW Heavyweight Championship. But he still is here. You say you put him out. This guy is so strong. He took everybody's finishing move from your group, including yours, and he's still walking around here like he's a G. Why? Because he has the upper game. Learn about that, Cage, if you want to talk about if I let my fans down. My fans was watching me on my other broadcast show. They know what's up. They know Shu Shane don't talk about anime. I mean, they know Shu Shane don't talk about wrestling that much. They know Shu Shane talk about anime also. So I can't be on both shows at the same time. So thank you for saying I let the fans down. But my fans know what I was doing, and they was sitting there watching me do my anime show, my anime broadcast. So Cage, once again, you did not took out Rukia. Rukia is still walking around with the gold around his waist. Finishers move from everybody in your group, including you. Something is not right. That means you sit here and listen to people talking about, oh, you thought you was a man and all that stuff. You the one turned your back on them. They didn't turn their back on you. All they just said, you're not the man anymore, because the man is Rukia. He's holding the belt. And by the way, speaking of the belt, Rukia said he might not leave just yet. He might go after the Risk Taker Heavyweight Championship, or he might go after the Risk Taker Championship, win it, and go to New Japan with it. You never know, because Rukia always have game plans, and no game plans are he will become, or he won't become. It's up to him. Thank you, and God bless.